This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must possess the night vision goggles and have console access. Once done, open F1 and verify your admin or have dev mode. That enables command spawning and permissions. Next, create or verify the item in your inventory using item. Create, then equip it to your hand slot so you can toggle it. Make sure durability is acceptable. Low durability reduces effectiveness and can flicker during use. You now activate and optimize the goggles in-game. Once equipped, hold aim or press your hotkey to toggle the night vision and observe how the environment responds. If visuals are washed out or too bright, make small adjustments to gamma and bloom in graphics settings. Additionally, set graphics. NVG brightness via console for finer control. For reliable testing, reposition to darker zones or use teleport commands to evaluate performance across distance and elevation, which helps you dial in clarity without exposing yourself to combat. You finish by practicing real-use scenarios. Toggle while moving to learn motion blur limits and conserve durability. Swapping to alternate optics can improve target detection. Once comfortable, bind quickbar slots for instant gear changes during engagements. If you encounter static, black screen, or no effect, reload the night vision item or restart the client first. If problems persist, update graphics drivers and recheck console variables you modified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.